Hey family, how y'all doing? So extra, right? I know, child. I know. Y'all already know that. Y'all already know that about me. I'm just sitting here doing laundry. I was actually editing a video, so I just finished editing the video. Ooh, getting it posted for y'all. But I got something I need to do, and I've been dreading doing it. But I'm actually motivated to do it now because I found a tool that's gonna help me. So I'm finna get ready to go out here and clean out this deep freezer so that I can put my meat that I don't have in the freezer in there before it go bad. Spending too much money on groceries. Can't be wasting groceries. Making it go spoil and stuff. So I found a tool that I'm gonna use to clean out the deep freezer. That's a deep freezer. So I got the trick for it. But I was sitting up here editing the video, and while I was editing, I'm doing laundry. If you hear the wash machine dryer going now, and oh, got a hangnail. I hate those things, and it look like I didn't break it all the way off either. Anyway, I get it. That came very important just then. But anyway, I was sitting here doing my puzzle. It's over here about to worry me to death trying to put this puzzle together, but I'm getting it. I'm trying to get them edges together, child. Child, what did I ask for? Okay. All right, I had a phone call come through, so we over here in the kitchen. I'm just about to run me some water. So I got a plan. My plan is to use the mop. Child, we finna clean that freezer out with the mop. Yeah. So I found a mop head that I been had. I just didn't have the stick to go to it, which I thought I did, because I thought I needed a bigger stick to go with that mop head, but I didn't need a bigger stick. I actually needed a small stick. So I tried a smaller stick and it actually works. So I'm gonna get me some pine saw and my mop bucket and my brand new mop head. And it's already outside on the porch because I had found a stick while I was out there that I'm gonna use for it. And this gonna make this real easy. And hopefully quick too. So I'm just gonna pour me some pine saw in here. We're gonna go in here and mop around inside this deep freezer outside so that we can get this meat out here. I got these hams. I got these hams that need to go on out there. And I think I'm gonna stack them on one side. I got some hams over here too, but I don't know if I'm gonna mess with that stuff right there today, child. But I do want to get my hams stacked on one side. So we're finna go on out here and mop this here deep freezer. Clean it out. And yeah, I'm getting my yard did today. It's a guy over here, he doing the yard. It's a lot to do in that backyard back there. But I'm so grateful to have him to get it together for me. At least the first time. Let somebody do it, because baby, that mess is, woo, child. Anyway, I don't know if I even told y'all I had another deep freezer. It ain't a new one, but I got another one. So yeah, we got us another one, child. Y'all know I've been missing my refrigerator that I had, but look how big that, baby. Baby, now that's a freezer, that ain't a. Now that is a freezer. So yeah, it ain't a new one, but it's another one. So I'm just finna get over here and clean it out. That's what I'm about to do. And it ain't gonna take much because it ain't really dirty. It just needed to be cleaned out because it wasn't being used. So, yep. So glad to know I got an extra mop here, because I was finna go to buy me another one. I bought another mop. So I said, let me go look over here in this closet and see if I got a mop head. Because I remember I had bought some, but I couldn't use them because I didn't have the stick to go to it. So I tried out a smaller stick that I had outside because I was trying to attach the thicker sticks to these when I first got them. I had these mop heads, I know, for about a year. So I said, let me it frees good though, and the mop sticking to the sides. But yeah, I said, let me go and see if I got me a mop head that that I can use. I happened to go back and found my mop trowel, found my mop head. I didn't have to go to the store. Thank you, Lord. So, yeah, y'all, this time got to be so much more easier. Because basically it just needs to be wiped down. And now, I got that done. Thank you, Jesus. Because, baby, when I tell you that I'm going to take the little ends of it and just go on around it, I can actually disconnect it. Cloth one. I like cloth mops to me because for one, I feel like they clean better, and you don't leave all them strains behind and stuff. So yeah. All right, we got, look, it didn't even take that long, and it took me, I done had this freezer for about 3 weeks now. Yeah, it done been about 3 weeks. And I had poured the bleach in here when I first got it, and we was using it, you know, just putting our drinks and stuff in it when we come outside. But it works real good. I wanted to use it long enough to be sure that it works, and it do. So I'm happy about that. Oh. So yeah, this one of them old freezers, baby, where it got a lock to it. I don't even know if they even make freezers like that anymore, where you got the lock to it. But I'm glad to have this done though, and out of the way. I ain't got to worry about it. I got to clean the freezer. I can't put nothing in my freezer. I need to clean the freezer. Going to the grocery store, got stuff just sitting in the refrigerator, you know, because I ain't cleaned my freezer out. So now my freezer is clean. This looks like it's coming off, whatever this is. We ain't gonna worry about it, honey. Got rust on it. It's okay. I did what I came to do. I got it done. Alright, so now I got some hams though that need to get in. I don't know if I want to sit them down inside of a bag or what. Hold on, let me go get my hams. Alrighty, y'all, here we go. So I brought my sausage patties and I got my hams. I think I'm gonna take the hams and get them down in the freezer in this bag here. And I might want that bag over on that side. Should I put it right there? More stacking space. Yo, I'm gonna put it on one side because I know it's gonna start bulking out. And then I got 2 boxes. All these right here is sausage patties. It's 96 patties in this box. They're not gonna stay to the bottom, but for right now I'm putting them in here. wanted to stack up in over here. It was okay, still perfect. Okay, so now I got 5 hams. Five hams. 5 hams. That's 2. Okay, that's 3. Alrighty, y'all. So I had something else. Hold on, child. I had something else I was bringing out here. Alright. Okay. Now I got my. This here is turkeys. Number turkey legs. Gotta get the rest of the hams in here. That ain't gonna be perfect. With Thanksgiving, Christmas, and New Year's ready on the hams. Then I got some turkey. And we got, let me see. I might gotta switch corners. Gotta switch these corners out. Switch corners. I'm gonna get them over here on this side. And this is another ham. This that ham shoulder. Smoked ham. This one here. Okay. Let me see something. There we go. All right, so we got the hams over there. This that ham shoulder. Got all our hams. And then this right here is the turkey legs. Okay. So now we just if you sit there, I won't complain. Okay, so we got this here. That's perfect. It's out the way. Okay, so then that's just the sausage patties. We're gonna let that sit in there just like that. It's all right, cause ain't nothing in shape to where it can really stack right, and they're gonna sit in those bags. Makes it easy for me to find it and get stuff out. So that's my hams, my turkeys, and my sausage patties. Now I can close my freezer. Whew, that was a job. Got a lot of laundry, and you can't tote your clothes baskets, and you got a wagon, use your wagon. This what my yard looking like, y'all, before. It was worse, but We got some piles going on out here. Yeah, we got some piles going on. Yeah. So this is what we got going on so far. Right here. And then when it's done, I'll show y'all what it look like. Let me see something. Look at this here. It's just piled up. It's bad. I want to get my shed redid too. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. So y'all saw what it looked like before the yard. So now this is coming out the door right here. And that's the side yard. I was looking, they ain't done yet, but yeah, they ain't done yet, but it's looking real good. Especially over here. Where they cleaning it up over here. All in the back of the shed. Yes, yes, yes. Can't complain. And then they tells me that my house had a pool. I didn't even know it had a pool here. So, but it's looking real good. It's looking real good. Real, real good. The game right now. I wonder what that holds us to right there. I guess it's supposed to be like that. Must run some out of it. I don't think I ever seen that hose. Yeah. Just a little odds and ends to get up in certain areas, but he's still coming through here. So, but yeah, it's looking good, y'all. But it's looking real good. The color was kind of washed just then. Hopefully it's not still washed, but I'm loving it. Y'all know I love a neat yard, neat looking yard. And especially when I can see the ground. Oh yeah. But yeah, so the pool was right over there. Right over in that area. Like, wow, I didn't even know. They was like, they could tell because the lines that was on the ground. The pipes and stuff. And I was wondering what those pipes was. But the pipes happened to be because I had a pool. Got a pool over here. Yep. But it's coming together.